Alright, so we're back finally after I don't know how long. We've got a new MetalCrate, our wonderful MetalCrate. So let's open it up and see what we get. Hopefully there's some good stuff in here. I'm really excited for next month, being October, and they release the Halloween one. The Halloween ones are always amazing. Probably the best ones of the year, which makes sense. Oh, already I'm seeing something I love. They brought it back. Ooh. I think I've already got one of them, but that's alright. So first up, we get a Smash Hammer face from that thrash band, who I can't remember at the moment. It looks really nice. I think they gave us one of these before, but this one feels like a more stronger one, and I think it's a bit bigger, so can't complain about that. Next up is they brought them back, Patches, a Thrash Zone patch. Love DRI. Great album as well. Oh, good stuff, good stuff. Gonna put that on my battle jacket. Oh. Maybe if I'm lucky, that will come up as the to open it up sort of deal. So next up we've got, I'll do the t-shirt last, I feel. So what do we got? We got Inceptor, Tales of Mayhem, Bestial Night, Into the Hellmouth, We Shall Return, Motopunk Records, Atomic Drums. Yeah, that's black metal. That has to be black metal. There's no way in hell that's not black metal. Look at them. It's got to be black metal, which I'll give a go. I love me some black metal. Private Prisons, Exo Communications, Homes, Walls, Ghost Woods, Wells, Drains. Alright, well, I would assume, again, black metal. That looks very black metal. I mean, it could be death metal, I guess, but it's most likely black metal. Not bad at all, gotta say. Good stuff, good stuff. Nothing big in this one. Look, we got a Thrash Zone and a really, really good pin. That just 10 out of 10. But, you know, we'll see. Alright. What do we get for the t-shirt? Acid Mass? Okay. It's not bad. Not the best printing, though. They're probably the worst printing they've done. But Acid Mass, I think. It looks sick. Don't get me wrong. Like, it looks sick. But this must be like a big black metal one. Maybe black and thrash, because there's thrash, so it could be black and thrash as well. I'm not sure what that is. All I know is that it doesn't, like, up close, the quality of the printing is not very good. But it doesn't matter. It does look sick. And from a distance, I think it's worth giving a go. So, you know what? I'll take it. Good stuff over there. I mean, the t-shirts are always good. Even when they're bad, they're good. So, let's just get to that. So, that was this month's. Maybe they're holding back because they did say next month is going to be a bigger one. Obviously, Halloween stuff. Good stuff. I do like the fact that we got a patch back. Good stuff there. Love me a patch. 10 out of 10 there. And we got ourselves a pin. Anyway, Aussie Viking out. See you in Valhalla. Good stuff. Check him out. Heavy Metal Crate. Good stuff. And I'll see you in Valhalla. You're awesome. You are loved. And you're amazing.